Welcome back to My Big Fat Mess. I'm Anthony Ferraro, and today we're cooking asparagus. Sparagazzi. We like them. This is one of the best vegetarian side dishes, vegetarian starters. The minerality, the enzymes, everything in here. It's the only vegetable that I know of that within 20 minutes of eating it, it alters your pee. I know, right? Let's start cooking. All right, so this is really simple, quick and easy. You only need a couple of ingredients for the way I do them. I like to do them twice cooked. Parmigiano Reggiano, asparagus, a bit of breadcrumb, a bit of lemon zest, extra virgin olive oil, that's it. Let's get the water on first and also toast our breadcrumbs. Toasting our breadcrumbs, really simple. I mean, you don't have to do this, but it adds a different dimension to them. It's a great little step. It works really well. If you want your water to boil faster, pop a lid on it and let's get our skillet nice and hot. While we're getting it hot, plenty of extra virgin olive oil. Done. As soon as you get a little bit of color, start working it. Now the base is very hot in this one here. I'm actually going to turn it off. Beautiful. So just keep that to the side. It's doing its thing. Really important, get your skillet all nice and lubed up. So the asparagus are pretty easy to prepare. You give them a quick wash and then you just get them ready. How do you get them ready? So a lot of people kind of be like, chop them, break them. There's heaps of ways you can do them. So the stem part is the woodiest part. What you want to do is you just want to basically hold them and then keep bending it, and the asparagus will actually let you know where it is right for eating. That, you can eat it, but it's going to be woody and not going to taste very nice. So the water is bubbling away. This is exactly what I want. Let's go and have a little look. I'm not going to put any salt or anything in here. Again, this is just for a quick blanching. You can put salt if you like, but I don't like too much salt. In they go, lid goes back on. You're gonna see these things change color instantly. They're gonna go from a dull green to a lovely fluoro green. 20, 30 more seconds, and we're literally just gonna pop them off and drain them. All right, it's time to drain them. That's literally how quick it takes. Not very long. You can see the color. Look at the color of the water as well. It's got that greenish tinge. That's that. Smells amazing, looks amazing. Let's get the skillet going. So I had that skillet nice and hot. I'm now gonna ramp up the heat just one last time. That's almost about to smoke. Let's get all these the right way around. Now, they have just softened gently. Look at the beautiful vibrance in that color. It's gorgeous. This is doing its thing, nice and smoky, plenty of olive oil, and then just put them on. So once they're on, I just like to roll them around a little bit. They're twice cooked, and you can see the color now changing. They're blistering up. That's what I want. I want that blistering effect on them. Have a little look-see. So now you assemble your dish. Really, really simple. Pop them on the plate that you want to serve them. Okay. Now, line them up so they look nice, like little battens. Then we're going to need a pinch of salt, some Parmigiano Reggiano. At this point here, you can do one or two things. You can get some lemon juice and squeeze it over the top. I don't like the extra acidity. These have enough. But I do like that little bit of zing of the lemon rind. So I just gently rind a little bit of lemon over that. So then just sprinkle over your toasted breadcrumb. It adds a different dimension. It's absolutely beautiful. You can do a little bit of touch of cracked pepper, and if you like, which I absolutely do, just a little drizzling of extra virgin olive oil. And it just really sets off this dish. And we are all done. These are asparagus cooked, Italian style, delicious sparagazzi, beautiful. Great little side dish, great starter. Do yourselves a favor, go out and get some beautiful asparagus. These are amazing. Oh, they smell to die for. We're gonna tuck in. Buon appetito.